Solve the equation tangent of theta minus pi over 2 equals 1. What goes inside of tangent has to be an angle, and so we will let alpha be theta minus pi over 2. Then this equation is now tangent of alpha equals 1. On the unit circle, the only angles that will give us tangent equals 1, tangent represents the slope that goes through the origin. The two angles are pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. We conclude that alpha has to be pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. But we're looking for theta. Theta minus pi over 2 is alpha. Isolating theta, we have theta equals pi over 4 plus pi over 2, which is, the common denominator is 4. Pi over 4 plus 4 pi over 2 is 3 pi. Similarly, we replace alpha with theta minus pi over 2 equals 5 pi over 4. Theta is 5 pi over 4 plus pi over 2. Pi over 2 is 2 pi over 4. And so theta equals 7 pi over 4. Now, how do we know that these are all the solutions? In fact, we might miss something here. And so when we found alpha, because tangent has a period of pi, instead of writing alpha equals pi over 4, we should write this as alpha equals pi over 4 plus k pi, where k is an integer. We replace alpha with theta minus pi over 2, and this is pi over 4 plus k pi. Theta is therefore pi over 2 plus pi over 4 plus k pi, and so theta equals 3 pi over 4 plus k pi. Now, we could avoid doing this by letting this theta plus k pi, but it is usually safe to do this. We cannot do it if this were 2 theta or 3 theta or theta over 2. But in this case, there's only 1 theta, so we can do this. Now, why do we need to do this? Notice that when k equals 0, theta is 3 pi over 4, which is an angle in this interval 0 to 2 pi. When k equals 1, we have theta equals 3 pi over 4 plus 1 pi. 1 pi is 4 pi over 4, so this is 7 pi over 4. Notice that this is redundant. We actually did not need this if we were to do this. Moving on, we let k equal 2. We'll get theta equals 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi. 2 pi is 8 pi over 4, so this is 11 pi over 4. 11 pi over 4 is more than 2 pi, and so we don't need it because we're looking for a solution between 0 to 2 pi. Thus, the answer is theta equals 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. For this problem, that's all we need. But if we were to look for the general solution, then theta is 3 pi over 4 plus k pi, where k is an integer, 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2, and so on.